In this video, we will be showing you the steps to turn off the control lock safety feature of your Sharp Induction or Radiant Cooktop. The control lock is a safety feature to prevent the heating elements from turning on if buttons are pressed by accident. First, let's cover the steps to turn off the control lock on the Sharp Radiant Cooktops. When you turn on your Sharp Radiant Cooktop, the control lock will be on by default. It will show a red light above the lock symbol. To turn off the control lock, simply press and hold the lock symbol button for 3 seconds. The light above the lock symbol should turn off, indicating it is now unlocked. Now let's cover the steps to turn off the control lock on the Sharp Induction Cooktops. For the Sharp Induction Cooktop, when the control lock is engaged, it will show the letter L in the cooktop display. To turn off the control lock, simply press and hold the lock symbol button for 3 seconds. The display should stop showing the letter L, indicating it is now unlocked. Now that it is unlocked, you can use your Sharp Cooktop. If you need to relock your Sharp Cooktop, simply press and hold the control lock button for 3 seconds. Now you're ready to safely use your Sharp Cooktop.